I'm glad AI didn't exist when I learned to code. A guy with 30 plus years of experience once told me he was glad because Google did not exist back then. As a senior, I'm actually glad it exists because I get to try without a lot of difficulty lots of languages I've never had the chance to understand. But I am also glad it didn't exist when I first got into coding, as I think that could have really affected my problem-solving development. Microsoft's gaming CEO has praised Nintendo Switch 2, and said it plans to support the upcoming platform with ports of Xbox games. Going the if you can't beat them route is very smart. Now make them cross-save/cross-play. Trump administration adds note rejecting gender ideology to government websites. This is making my groceries cheaper, right? Because I was promised prices would be going down very quickly. They are obsessed with people's genitals. So fucking creepy. Radar cross-section. Poorly organized chart. Bird should be in front of F-117 and F-35. And the Raptor at 0.0001. Forbidden words. GitHub reveals how software engineers are purging federal databases. Hi folks, just want to share that there's an active effort to back up the non-censored versions of government datasets. I'm currently seeding CDC datasets and working on downloading census data for the same reason. If you want to prevent fascists from digital book burning, get it before they can. These idiots think environmental health and safety is some Green New Deal stuff, don't they? Big mistake. Can't wait till their facilities start to explode because chemicals got stored improperly. Wow. Ministry of Truth in action. Chinese sex doll maker sees jump in 2025 sales as AI improves user experience. Doll founder Lu Jiangxia says the integration of generative AI models makes the dolls more responsive and interactive. Finally, a sex robot that can also do code review. Many have asked for this. WM Doll, based in Zhongshan, a city in southern Guangdong province, embeds the company's latest MetaBox series with an AI module, which is connected to cloud computing services hosted on data centers across various markets where the LLMs process the information from each toy. Oh look, another source for data collection. The government's computing experts say they are terrified. Setting up shit in the cloud is easy. Anyone can do it after watching a few videos. The real challenge is making it efficient, secure, and cost-effective. That's where expertise and strategy come into play. I know enough about data security to know it's terrifying. Allowing secure data that our financial system is based on to kids with no security clearance, this is so egregious it shouldn't even be a question of it being a breach of confidence. But here we are, in the world where a Nazi salute is a controversial gesture. We're getting blackpilled so hard. JFC. What the? Minimum airflow requirements for an Intel Pentium. Hope he's ready for the surprise water cooling when all that condenses. OC behind Meta's latest billions. Wow. Big profits. Must be time to fire 4,000 employees who created this wealth for the billionaire boss and shareholders. That shows exactly how trickle-down doesn't work. Corporations that size making profits bigger than their R&D budget but firing good chunks of their workforce to maximize shareholder value. Every time I see one of these, I can't help but see how small the tax is for each and every single one of these big tech companies. ***ing love my job. I have a pretty great gig as well. More PTO than I can spend. Okay salary, boss is cool. 100% remote. 40 hours. Comp time is respected and encouraged. Learning proper IT is encouraged over finding the quickest answer. I like my job. But you know what else I like? I like to bitch on the internet. So fuck you Tableau/Salesforce. Your software is bad and you should feel bad too. Who let this guy into the sub? Microsoft confirms it's getting out of HoloLens hardware entirely. Eesh, after like 10 years of development and marketing hyping it. I have a strange feeling that MS will completely shut down anything AR related now, and then in a few years the thing will suddenly become popular. Apple's base 128GB iPhone storage tier needs to go. I mean, Apple is ridiculous with storage, but I think the article misses that app load is also the problem. Just like COD shouldn't take 400GB, my LG TV app shouldn't take 1GB. Also, Apple needs to allow users to manage app caches. It has like 8GB of cached data in Apple Music and I can't fathom why a streaming app needs 8GB of cache. I have no songs saved or downloaded. I know I'm getting old cause I've read this exact same article 5 times now, 4GB, 416GB, 432, etc. Anyone can push updates to the Doge.gov website. Can't Elon just type RMF vulnerabilities into the console to fix this? LMAO. This is why you don't want to defund cybersecurity. Or we use the site that is already completely transparent and secure and fully functional, etc., etc. This actually made me laugh out loud. Good lord, man. Can't begin to imagine everything else these idiots are fucking up. Apple Maps might start showing ads. I buy Apple for a premium experience. This is bullshit. Apple Maps might start losing users. Like and subscribe.